Hello! Ang video na ito ay para sa mga madaling makalimot. Okay, so bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick demo with regards to interpolation. Okay, so let's head over to our HTML header title. Okay, so dati, ginagawa mo, home page. And then, as you can see, literal na lumalabas yung home page dito. Okay, in interpolation, sa mga data binding, okay, so this one is part 1. Sa data binding is, nagde-declare tayo or manggagaling yung data natin from TS papuntang homepage.html. So this one is what we call data binding. Okay, and then in data binding, ang una natin pag-uusapan ay yung tinatawag na string interpolation. Okay, so sa string interpolation, gumagamit tayo ng double curly braces. At ipine-place natin to inside our text content ng ating mga tags. Okay? Hindi lang sa mga ionic elements, pati sa mga normal HTML tags po natin. Okay, so paano ba siya gumagana? Like this. So all you have to do is to declare first yung ating property. So let's say, public, title ko, and then followed by kung anong data type siya, string. Okay, so whenever that you were going to use string, i-encapsulate mo siya sa single or double quotation. So let's say, hehe, ilagay mo dyan, save natin, and then dito, okay, i-call natin yung variable or yung property natin na i-declare natin dito sa homepage.ts. Copy mo yan, title ko, and then double curly braces. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Then, salpak mo dyan yung title ko. Lalabas ngayon dun yung hehe. So, that's how you do interpolation. Sa string, gamitin natin sa, or gawin natin to sa number. When you are using number naman, okay, so hindi mo siya i-encapsulate, of course, sa single or double quotation. Number. Okay, it includes, for example, whole numbers. Okay, tanggalin natin to muna. Ayan. So, we can use whole numbers or decimal places. May decimal places. Yung float or double sa ibang data type. Okay, so that's number. And what if we are using Boolean? Boolean. Okay, so in Boolean, of course, it's either true, so yung true ang lalabas doon, or false. Make it sure lang na wag nyo siyang i-wrap up sa single or double quotation kasi magiging string po ito. Okay? We can also use any. Okay? Any. For some cases, let's say, yung title ko, kung gusto mo ay array. So, for example, mixed yung content, yung data type ng array natin, you can declare false, for example. You can declare number, 25.3, something else like that. And then, string, kunanan. And then, as you can see, any. Kasi kapag kayo nilagay ko dyan, Boolean, okay, magkakaroon tayo ng error kasi hindi naman Boolean lang yung laman ng ating array. Pero kapag puro Boolean yan, for example, false, true, Boolean, lagyan natin ng ganyan. Okay, so lalabas ngayon yung false, true. If, katulad nga ng example natin, like this one, marami siya mixed, pwede mong gamitin si any. Okay, so yan yung mga po pwede mong gamitin sa string interpolation.